metal laser cutting machine for the kitchenware industry, specifically designed for fiber optic stainless steel, with a power range of 1000W to 6000W. It is suitable for processing and cutting stainless steel kitchenware, sinks, and stoves with high precision and tight welding seams. It supports the overall cutting and automatic layout of large-sized kitchenware, saving stainless steel raw materials and ensuring stable and wear-resistant operation. It is also suitable for large-scale production in kitchenware factories, helping to improve product quality and production capacity. Email i5122398@163.com， phone +861323163351， WhatsApp +861323163351。URL http://3w.csepartor.com Laser cutting machine, plate laser cutting machine, laser pipe cutting machine, high power laser cutting machine, fiber laser cutting machine.